Probably not. Everybody has the capability, but does everybody want it as bad as they really want? That's why I like my journey better than if I inherited. I was born in a rich family and I got $1 billion. I'd rather start out in the streets and fight and build what I have, because my journey taught me a lot of things.
Is everyone meant to be wealthy, though?
Probably not. Everybody has the capability, but does everybody want it as bad as they really want? I mean, it's so there is a balance. I mean, I know I remember hearing once, somebody said, if you took all the money in the world and distributed equally to everybody, in a few years it'll all end up in the same hands.
So, I agree with that.
So it's, unless you're really educated early on or something. But some people are really happy being just, have a career as a doctor or have a career as an engineer. They have different passions. My passion was wealth, so if you have a different passion, you want to help people, you want to be a nurse, you want to be a preacher, you want to serve God, or you want, that's what you're going to pursue. So yeah, it's probably not for everybody, because that's not what they want. But if you want it, you can have it. That's the thing.
And to go back to your other point, if we did reset the whole world, everybody started with the same level of wealth. I mean, just think about it. Like even within one family, there's going to be some people who are smarter than others on how to manage their money. Some people who are more ambitious. Some people are more determined, and some people will take more risks. So eventually, it'll be unbalanced again. Even if we started balanced.
Think of all the people who won lotteries that lost it all. And the same thing, because they never had money, they didn't know what to do with money. They blew it all. Ended up in the hands of those, or whatever they bought, the Rolls Royce dealership or whatever stuff that they, So it's really, that's why I like my journey better than if I inherited. I was born in a rich family and I got $1 billion. I'd rather start out in the streets and fight and build what I have, because my journey taught me a lot of things.
You appreciate it a lot more, right?
Yeah, you appreciate it. Plus, I know I can go broke again, and you put me anywhere in the world, 6 months later, I'll have all the money again. So it's just my journey is much better. I mean, I know just a guy, a good friend of mine, not too long ago, he inherited his money, but when he ran out of money and he had his lifestyle, he didn't know what to do. He jumped off a roof and killed himself.
Oh.
It happened in the 20s also. So it's like, if you don't build it yourself and you don't learn the lessons, what are you going to do when you don't have it, when you have no clue what to do? And so my journey, I was able to teach myself what to do. Mm-hmm. So that's why my journey is better than being given. And there's no satisfaction being given. It's just the spending of the money and showing off. It's not really that much fun after a while, and people just are around you. You got hanger-oners who just want to take your money and find ways of prying it from you. And if you're not smart enough, you do lose it.